to charge my AirPods. No bueno, no battery. Okay, I should just lie down. That's it up. Oh, I'm so tired. No bueno. I'm super tired. It's almost 1 p.m. I ate my dinner. Like, what time did I eat my dinner yesterday? It was on my Instagram. I ate my dinner at 12 midnight. So exactly 12 hours ago, I was eating rice, chicken, and curry. So basically, chicken curry. Why am I not dead yet? I don't know. Why am I fat? I don't know. I forgot to greet y'all. Oh no, brain fart. I'm too tired. I'm dying. A terrible death, okay? 안녕하세요, 수정입니다. Hi, this is Jessica Misu. Yeah. It's raining right now. Actually, just started raining. So yeah, I'll show y'all a clip. As you can see, it's still raining. It's just water dripping from up there, but I don't think you can see properly, so I'll show you through the window. It's like still raining. So yeah, usually every time I'm on a video, I'm either eating or half dead, or have finished eating lunch or breakfast or something. I need to seriously wash my cup, boil some water, wash my dishes, throw garbage, the regular stuff. And this isn't that yummy. So in the trash it goes. Washing dishes. I'm constantly washing dishes. I realized that every single video that I have posted, I'm constantly washing dishes. I tend to brush my teeth 3 to 4 times a day if I have eaten, so I usually brush my teeth again. I shall brush my teeth in a while, but first let's boil some water. I don't need that much because I'm just filling it into my empty water bottle. Usually I try to boil more. Moving all plastic things away because I don't want to burn myself, nor do I want to burn anything. I will eat a banana later before I'm leaving. Let's start washing dishes. Ignore my face for being so gross. It's not a big kitchen, okay? Usually have music on or an audiobook or something. But Audible is on my phone and I'm recording via my phone. I haven't gotten the toggle to let me try fixing stuff on my, what's that thing called? Oh yeah, I haven't gotten spare batteries as well for my camera. I will vlog on my camera, but I just need to get spare batteries first. Anyone else needs dishwasher? I need a dishwasher. I need to get my nails done desperately. They're so long. I hate long nails. That's most probably done. The water, I mean. I don't need it to be really, really hot. I just need it to be hot. Go spray down my table. Send a message. Dang it, I don't want to reply you. Spray, I'll go clean my table. I'll wait a little bit longer. Oh my god, my hair. I'll wait a little longer so that the water is not boiling hot, because I'm going to put it into a water bottle. It's double layer, double coated, so it's not that hot, but I won't burn myself holding it. So yeah, I'll pour water in here, and I guess I might pour like tea, or I might put tea bags or something, or I might just drink it as plain water. That's what I'm going to do. Funny thing is, I got this like what, half a year ago, and I still have half a bottle, or more than half a bottle, because I don't know, just use this for everywhere. Oh yeah, I haven't cleaned my microwave yet, and I use the microwave to cook everything because I suck so bad at cooking. Yeah, I guess I'll go get ready for the day. But first shower, because I smell a little bit and I didn't exactly shower last night. I only washed my hair. It's raining so bad.